everyone, I am Sanjana and welcome back to our channel Science Wale. Today we'll be learning the topic time and work, which is a very important topic when it comes to competitive exams or any college university exams. And this is an important topic in quants. So let's just get started. To solve problems related to time and work, we need to know this basic concept, which is that if a person does a work in n days, then the per day work of that person is going to be 1 by n. So if you remember this basic concept, it's going to be very easier for you to solve problems on time and work. All right. So if there is a person A and he does the work in n days, so 1 day work of A will be 1 by n. All right. So let's just get started. The first question here we have is, A alone can complete a work in 24 days and B can complete a work in 30 days. If they work together, then in how many days can they complete the same work? So here, it is given that A can do a work in 24 days. So 1 day work of A will be 1 by 24 and 1 day work of B is going to be 1 by 30. Right? So let's just write it. Now they have given us that A and B work together. Then in how many days can they complete the same work? So if they work together, then we need to add the 1 day work of A and 1 day work of B. So this will be 1 day of A plus B, which is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30. Right? LCM will be 120. 5 plus 4, which is 9 by 120, which is 3 by 40. This is the work, 1 day work of A and B working together. But they have asked us that in how many days will they complete the work. So we know that if a work is done in n days, then the 1 day work is 1 by n. Now here we have the 1 day work. We need to find out the number of days they'll take. So number of days they will take is 1 by 3 by 40, which is nothing but 40 by 3 days. So they will take 40 by 3 days to complete the total work. All right. Now moving on to the next question. A can do a work in 15 days and B can do a work in 20 days. If they work on it together for the 4 days, then what is the fraction of work left? So here 1 day work of A is given as 1 by 15 and 1 day work of B is given as 1 by 20. So if they work together, so first let's calculate 1 day work of both A and B. So this is B 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Let's just take 60 as the LCM. 15 4s are and 2 3s are. So this is going to be 7 by 60. So if they work for 4 days, so 4 days implies 4 into 7 by 60. This is 7 by 15. So they will do 7 by 15th work in 4 days. Now they have asked us in that how much work is left after 4 days. So total work, as we know, is always 1. So work left will be 1 minus 4 day work, which is 7 by 15. That is equals to 8 by 15. So 8 by 15th of the work is left after 4 days of A and B working together. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. Then in how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every 3rd day? So here 1 day work of A is given as 1 by 20. 1 day work of B is given as 1 by 30. And 1 day work of C is given as 1 by 60. Now if it is given that A is assisted by B and C on every 3rd day. So it means that on the first day only A is working. On the second day also only A is working. And on the 3rd day, A is working and he is assisted by B and C. So if the first day only A is working, so it is 1 by 20. The second day also it's only A, so it's again 1 by 20. On the third day, all three are working. So we'll be adding a 1 day work of all the three. So 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. So if we take 60 as the LCM, this is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. All right. So this is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. And this is 12. 12 by 60, which is 1 by 5. So in 3 days, 1/5 of the work is done. Right. So what is the remaining work left, which is 4 by 5, right? 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. So to complete the whole work, that is to get 1, total work is 1, right? So to get 1, what will we do? We'll multiply this by 5, right? So 1 by 5 into 5 will give us the complete work 1. So in 3 days, if 1 by 5 is work is done, then 3 into 5 days, the whole work, that is 1 complete work, will be completed. So total days equals to 3 days into 5. So this is 15 days. So in 15 days, the total work will be completed if it is in this order, that first 2 days only A is working and on the third day it is assisted by B and C. So it will take 15 days to complete the whole work. Moving on to the next question. A can do a piece of work in 4 hours, B and C together can do it in 3 hours, and A and C can together do it in 2 hours. Then how long will B alone take to do it? So let's just write down what is given to us. So 1 hour work of A is given as 1 by 4. 1 hour work of B plus C is given as 1 by 3. 1 hour work of A plus C is given as 1 by 2. So let's just calculate the 1 hour work of all the three. So 1 hour of A plus B plus C will be, so 1 hour of A plus 1 hour of B plus C, which is 1 by 3. So if we take it as 12, this is 7 by 12. So this is the 1 hour work of A plus B plus C. From this, what they have asked us that how long will B alone take to do it. Now we know that 1 hour work of A plus C is 12. So this is 7 by 12 is for the whole A plus B plus C equals to 1 by 2 plus work of B, right? If this is for A plus B plus C is 7 by 12, and we know that for A plus C it is 1 by 2, but we don't know for how long will B take. So let's just consider it as B. 7 by 12 equal to 1 by 2 plus B. So the total work, the total time taken by B will be 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. So if we take 12 as the LCM, 7 minus 6, which is 1 by 12. So 1 day work of B is 1 by 12. So B will take 12 hours to complete the whole work individually. Moving on, the next question we have is, if 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 26 men and 48 boys can do it in 2 days, then the time taken by 15 men and 20 boys to do the same type of work will be what? So let us consider the 1 day work of men to be X and 1 day work of boy to be Y. So 1 day of men equals to X. 1 day boy to be Y. So it is given that 6 men and 8 boys can do it in 10 days. So 6x plus 8y equals to 1 by 10. And 26x plus 48y equals to 1 by 2. So if we multiply the first equation by 6, we get 36x plus 48y equals to 6 by 10. If we solve this, we'll be getting minus 10x equals to 1 by 2 minus 6 by 10, which is minus 1 by 10. So minus minus will get cancelled. So x equals to 1 by 100. If we put this in the first equation, we'll be getting 6 into 1 by 100, plus 8y equals to 1 by 10. So 8y equals to 1 by 10 minus 6 by 100. The LCM is going to be 100. So 10 minus 6, which is 4 by 100. And 4 twos are 8. So y is going to be 1 by 200. So the time taken, we have x and y. Now they've asked us time taken by 15 men and 20 boys. So 15 into 1 by 100 plus 20 into 1 by 200. So if we take 100 as the LCM, it's going to be 15 plus 10, which is 25 by 100, which is 1 by 4. So 15 men and 20 boys can do it in 4 days. Okay. This is a homework question for all of you. Please try solving it. This is very simple, and solve this just like we solved all the remaining questions. And please solve it and put your answers in the comment section below. We'll be adding the answers to this question soon, and you can cross-verify and check your answers later on. That's it for this class. Thank you, and meet you in the next class.